In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write a better LinkedIn About section. If your LinkedIn profile feels outdated, unclear, or just hard to write, this process can make things much easier. Your About section is one of the first places people look when they want to understand who you are, what you do, and how you bring value. So instead of staring at a blank page, you can use ChatGPT to create a strong draft and then shape it into something that sounds like you. Start by opening your LinkedIn profile and reviewing your current About section. Read through it carefully and notice what is already working, what feels too vague, and what might be missing. This gives you a clear starting point before generating anything new. Next, open ChatGPT and describe your role, your skills, your experience, and your goals. Be as clear and specific as you can. The better your input is, the better the output will be. You want to give enough context so the writing actually reflects your background instead of sounding generic. After that, add details about your target audience, your job title, or your ideal client. This part matters because your LinkedIn About section should speak to the people you want to reach. Whether you want to attract recruiters, potential clients, collaborators, or employers, make that direction clear in your prompt. Then ask ChatGPT to write a LinkedIn About section. Keep the request simple and direct so the result stays focused. Once you have a draft, request a professional but natural tone. This helps the writing sound polished without feeling stiff or robotic, which is especially important on LinkedIn where credibility and personality both matter. Next, ask for a few different versions. Seeing multiple options can help you compare styles, structure, and wording. Sometimes one version has a stronger opening, while another does a better job explaining your value. Having choices makes it easier to find the approach that fits you best. When you find the strongest version, edit it with your real achievements and personality. This is a very important step because AI can help with structure and wording, but the final section should still feel authentic. Add specifics, refine any phrases that sound too broad, and make sure the message matches how you actually want to present yourself. Finally, paste the finished About section into LinkedIn. Give it one last read on your profile to make sure it flows well and represents you clearly. With this process, you can turn a difficult writing task into something faster, simpler, and much more effective.